I always wanted to create an application or a website like solo leveling system, something which could help me achieve my goals in a productive manner. And I always thought like, oh man, in order to do that, I'm gonna have to learn coding, development, even designing if I want to do all of that by myself. But not anymore. Because today we are going to transform a simple idea into a real working project which you can publish as an application or a website just by talking to an AI. Yep, you heard that right. You don't need any complex coding, development, or any experience. Just like you talk to ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or any other AI chatbot, you can just talk to the AI and that AI will help you create that amazing project and make your idea come into life. Now you might be wondering how. Well, YouWare, an AI-powered vibe coding platform where you can turn your ideas into real applications and websites just by chatting with AI. From prompt to design to something you can actually use and publish as well in one place. So yeah, let's begin. Okay, so here I am on my desktop and let's go and open YouWare. Now as you can see, the interface is just so appealing. If you've ever used an AI chatbot, it is gonna be really similar. You have a dialog box where you can add your prompts, you can switch between chat, code, and integrate other MCP tools like Figma, Notion, GitHub, and you have options to choose between the most powerful AI LLMs. And yep, to be honest, I'm gonna go with Gemini 3 Pro. It just works for me. Let's get to the main deal. Now, while giving the prompt, you have to be very specific. Take all the time in the world you need in order to explain the vision of your idea. Now, all we need to do is just hit enter. And there it is, it's working. Now it's processing my request to design the solo leveling inspired application which will be like a website, like a web application. And now at last it's nearly completed and now let's see initializing system. So there we go. Let's just try, okay? Let me just sign it up, my email. Let's put some password in it, a simple one. Now let's begin. Oh, come on. Now. And now let me just save it and there we go. This is how it looks like. Player level, quest complete, streak, like YouWare actually created a whole website which is very interactive and looks like an actual game. Now let me just try it first, okay? So what's my active quest? Well, let's say build muscles. In description, I'll say workout for 30 minutes a day. That's it. Now let's accept. It is syncing and there we go, it is active. Now let's add some daily quests as well. For example, let's go with 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, 100 squats. The usual One Punch Man workout regimen. So let's say if I complete it, it's gonna just complete it and I will get experience points. Now let me just try it again, complete all of them. And as we can see, our experience has been increased by 30 XPs. And now like it's the first day and we can see the active quest. Now let's say I don't like the overall gloomy layout. I just want it to be not so dark. So I'll say make the visual colors a little easy on eyes. Not so dark background, neon outlines and other stuff. Let's see. And let me just say another thing. For example, let's say I want this active quest and the daily quest to be side by side. Make the active quest and daily quest side by side in same row. And now it is loading the system. Let's see how it looks like now. As you can see the number of credits used in order to make that particular change, and we can easily just rewind and we will get back these used credits in return. Really fair, really generous. Alright then, as you can see, it did the work and now it looks way better than before. Like actually. And we can just, switch to the mobile mode in order to see how it looks like. Now in the mobile mode, I can see like yes, there's an active quest which is right now active and we have daily quest and we can see the dialog boxes. But to be honest, like in my opinion, these dialog boxes, they're just taking too much store, like space. And it's just a very simple display. Where's the actual beauty in it? So let's make it even more better. Now, after thinking a lot, like the core application and functionalities are working, but the UI is just way too plain. So let's fix that. I have this particular prompt which will make the UI look way better. So let's go. Alright then, at last, the processing is done, and this time it took 70 credits. Like, the last one used 31. This time it was a heavy job. And now I just can't wait to see the final result. Alright then, it just looks exactly as I dreamed of. Neon kind of things, really dark background, the blue ambience of solo leveling and everything. Just amazing. And now let's see how it would look like on mobile. Yep, just as expected. Now I would like to just rearrange these things just a little. I would like to show the active quest on the top of it, and over it I would like to show something like a profile, like a person's detail and the current stats. So as you can see, the new layout just looks beautiful and gorgeous. Now I have something else in mind as well. What if we were to have a really nice progress bar and a profile thing here, and another like a graph to show the progress? It would be really awesome. And besides that, I have a new color scheme or color code in mind as well. So this is the new prompt. Let's do it. Alright then, so did it even work or something? Let me just reload it. Alright then, so it added another analytics tab. Oh man, this looks just damn good. It is exactly the way I wanted it to be. Now let's see how it will look like in mobile. It will look like this. Nice. But you see, what I wanted was to have all of this and the dashboard in one page. So let's do that. Alright then, we're going to combine dashboard and analytics into one single layout. Let's take a look at it. Like, the dashboard looks pretty good, okay, but the analytics page is exactly how I wanted them to be. Now, let's combine both of them into one thing. It is just almost finished. Just take a look at this beautiful layout. It's just perfect. So, let's see. Alright then, as you can see, this is the final result and it just looks gorgeous. Like, as you can see, what I wanted, a profile with a progress bar, there we go. My current stats, there we go. My active quest, and then the XP graph, which is like really important. And then the daily quest, for example, when I complete one, there it is, completed, and then the quest activities. That's just how amazing it looks like. Yep, this is exactly what I had in mind. An interface which can help me to progress and achieve my goal. And when you go to the mobile mode, it looks just perfect as I wanted it to be. Yep, just perfect. Now, let me just show you the amazing things of YouWare after you're done with this stuff. So they have this auto fix button which will automatically see which are the bugs and issues, and it will automatically fix them. So let me just click the button. Let me just tell it what are the not so good things about it. For example, to be honest, I just can't see anything not so good. But yes, there is indeed an issue I saw, which is like this. The graph isn't looking that good on the mobile view, the XP progression graph. So I'm just gonna tell it, the XP progression bar is not utilizing proper available space to visualize the graph on mobile view. But it's done. There we go. Alright then, so we have that fixed as well. And now, as we can see, our project is completed. Now we can easily publish it right now as well. If we had a custom domain, we could easily add it here and create a website directly. But right now I'm just gonna have this particular domain kick in. And we have a lot of other settings as well. Let's see. I'd name it Legino System. Legino Leveling. Yeah, that should do it. Now save and let's publish it. And it's done. Now anyone can access this particular website from this link. Let's just try it, shall we? There we go. Welcome back. Now let me just enter my own credentials. And here I am. It's live and kicking and it looks damn good. That's just how awesome YouWare is. And if you indeed are a coder, you have the ability to, do the coding development all on your own right from here. And you have Ubase as well. Ubase is the place where, my login data and all this data is stored online. As you can see right now, it has only one user, which is obviously me. And we can see I have one goal, 6 habit rows, 4 habits, and we can easily see which like what are the people who are using right now these things and what the status. And yep, that's just how amazing it is. And that is just one project. We can create so many other projects with YouWare. So yep, if you want to create something like this, an application, a website, or anything by just chatting with an AI, then YouWare is the way to go. You can check out YouWare by the link in the description, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, I'm on, signing out.